right, little mama. You know, you thick as hell, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, after the club, you know what I'm talking about? Me and my niggas can get together, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even worried about them really though, I'm just looking at you. You got those big ass hips. Got the body of a goddess. Got eyes like butter picking browns. I see you, girl. She coming down from the ceiling. Yeah, she know what she doing. She doing that right thing. Need to get it over to my chick and do that night thing. Cause I'm in love with
Because you can't really do anything because they move.
Come on, baby.